Papaya, or the fruit of angels, is believed to have originated in Mexico and the Central America. Gradually, it was cultivated in other parts of the world, mainly in tropical and subtropical regions. Unless you are pregnant or allergic to latex, which is found in papaya, you should consume papaya daily to fight cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Papaya is often recommended to people dealing with cystic fibrosis. Besides the health benefits of eating papaya, many people enjoy its fleshy texture and sweet taste. Papaya has many health benefits such as it boosts immunity, it improves digestion, and more. If you do not want to miss any, watch the video to the end. Number 1. It improves digestion. Papain is an enzyme found in papaya which can make protein easier to digest and also strengthen the tissue of the digestive tract. People in India considered papaya as a remedy for constipation and other symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. In one study, people who took papaya-based formula for 40 days had significant improvement in constipation and bloating. Regular intake of papaya can prevent many stomach disorder and uneasiness because of its high fiber and water content. Number 2. Protect skin from damage. Eating papaya daily is a good habit for those who want healthy and glowing skin. The fruit is packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which help boost antioxidant in your body. It is an important natural source of alpha hydroxy acid that can eliminate the buildup of dead cells on the skin and regenerate the damaged tissue. It is the reason why so many face packs contain papaya extract. The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya protect your skin and help reduce wrinkles. In order to get benefits of papaya for the skin, you can make a natural exfoliating mask for your skin by crushing papaya, then rubbing it on your skin and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse your face. Number 3. Improves eye health. Papaya is a rich source of vitamin A and antioxidants such as zeaxanthin, which have been shown to filter out harmful blue light rays. It also protects the cornea and decreases the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The edible fruit, if consumed daily, can improve your eyesight and correct vision problems. Number 4. Promote heart health. The vitamins and nutrients in papaya fruit contribute to its health benefits. They support the functions of your cardiovascular system by reducing the risk of heart attack and by promoting your heart health. Studies found that the hypertensive effects of papaya extract were similar to a drug used to treat high blood pressure and heart failure. The antioxidants in papaya also control inflammation and prevent cholesterol from converting into plaques that obstruct the arteries, which may lead to heart attack. If you are a heart patient or have any kind of cardiovascular problem, eating papaya daily will be helpful even as a preventive measure. Number 5. Fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the root of many diseases. Unhealthy food and lifestyle choices can fast up the process of inflammation. Studies show that antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables like papaya helps reduce inflammation. For example, one study noted that men who increased their intake of fruits and vegetables high in carotenoids had a significant decrease in inflammation. Number 6. Papaya has anti-cancer properties. Papaya was declared a superfruit after scientists found that it can prevent and even may be able to treat a wide range of cancers. Researchers found that papaya was an effective anti-cancer agent against cervix, breast, liver, lung, and pancreas cancer. According to a research, lycopene in papaya prevents the transformation of normal cells to the cancerous cells. Papaya is also good for people who are being treated with cancer. Number 7. It boosts immunity. Unfortunately, there is no cure or proper line of treatment for some diseases. However, health experts believe that strong immunity can not only resist but also fight against 99% of disease-causing microorganisms. According to Ayurveda, which is Indian system of medicine, going for immunity-boosting foods can help in curing as well as preventing several bacteria, parasite, and virus attacks. Since ages, papaya have been loved for its unique taste and texture. But did you know this fruit and its extract were used for making medicine? Even in Ayurveda, there is a mention of the extract of papaya and how they can prevent as well as cure several diseases. Enriched with nutrients, papaya is a lot more than a fiber-rich fruit. Packed with iron, folate, calcium, magnesium, vitamin A, B1, B3, B5, C, K, and potassium. Papaya is rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancerous properties, to name a few. Apart from that, papaya leaf extract are one of the most used remedies for treating dengue fever, especially for its ability to increase platelet count. Number 8. Papaya can prevent hair loss. Papaya contains a high amount of vitamin A. Vitamin A promotes the production of sebum, which is a body natural oil. Low level of sebum in our body can lead to dry and brittle hair. hair, which eventually resulting in hair loss. Papaya can hydrate hair cells and help them grow in a healthy manner. To get the benefits of papaya for hair loss, make a paste of papaya and yogurt and apply the paste to your hair for 20 minutes and then rinse your hair with water and shampoo. Number 9. It detoxifies kidneys. Potassium found in papaya is effective in cleaning out the toxins that are deposited in our kidneys and decrease the buildup of uric acid in the blood. Flavonoids present in papaya seed also keep your kidney cells from degenerating and enhance your kidney functions. In a 2018 study, papaya leaf extract significantly protected kidney tissue against toxic effects of gentamicin, which is a drug used to treat a wide range of bacterial infections. Number 10. Protect liver. Good liver health is important for your overall health. Liver has many important metabolic functions. It converts the nutrients in our diets into substances that the body can use, stores these substances, and supplies cells with them when needed. Papaya helps in the prevention as well as in the treatment of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Papaya seeds also helps heal liver cirrhosis, which is a condition characterized by abnormal structure and function of the liver.